what's that way?
I bet it's something for Sindel. So this morning Micah was home and staining our fence for us. We ended up needing more stain, so we decided to take a little detour and visit Shellburg Falls today. We've got Lukey, Micah,
3-hour detour.
Back there too, yep, just a little while. It's about a 2-mile hike, right?
1.5 each way.
1.5 mile hike each way, so it'll take us a little bit, but we've still got some daylight in the day and we'll get our paint stain on the way back. So out of the top 5 waterfalls that are in our area, this is one of the ones we haven't seen, and we decided to bring you guys along so you can see it too. Picking on cranberries, sister? We're at Log Truck Central. 3 of them going. Boy, they're loud. And of course, I'm gonna get Miss Sindel out and nurse her because she's hungry. And we are too, so we're gonna get something here at the gingerbread house. We almost always stop here if we go by and we can.
Got a burgie. Want to share some bites?
Yes, I do. And we got a milkshake and some coffee. Lukey's begging for more cranberries. Little miss, do you want to say hi? Hi, we got to see the log trucks go by. They were pretty cool.
Just no tomato. That's how it's done.
But I don't like pickle.
No pickle?
Nope. So our turn off for...
No pickle, no burger.
Uh-oh. The waterfall is up the way. Yes. We're almost there. Lukey's excited.
It's within a mile of a good burger place.
Yum. Yes, more log trucks. There goes another one. I was just going to point out that their sign needs some painting. I don't want the pickle bite. There we go. That's the sign. You are a painter's wife, is when you notice things that need painted.
They redid that yellow.
I know, I can't believe they did
They
the whole
just didn't
thing.
do the upper yellow.
Is that
Hopefully there's some shake left.
all on his own? Look at that. Go, Lukey, you ready for a ride?
Here we go.
Let's go, guys.
Coyote down there by the barn.
He's looking up our way.
Out in this cool field.
Yes, it's so beautiful here. We need a house here. There he goes. He's taking off. That's cool. We're just walking up this road and it is so beautiful out here. This tree is all in blossom. They're blossoming over there. Down there. We just passed one of those cattle grates. I'll have to show you on the way out if you don't know what they are. Micah found proof that there could be cows up here. I told him when we crossed it that there was probably some cows roaming around, and he said, I don't want to see a cow, I want to see a waterfall. He thinks they're going to chase him. We found them. We should be fine. I don't think they're going to ram us like you see at the rodeos, babe. That's because they yeah, Lukey hears and sees them. They entice them to do that behavior. Too funny. This is like the 4th or 5th one we've crossed. But that's what a cattle thing is. They have a name, but they're not supposed to like walking over them. We're in cattle country. Hey, curious one. You're so cute. The babies are so cute. There's 2, and then there's one nursing up there. This one even looks kind of young. Look at those giant trees up there. They look pretty cool. I think the last time Lucas was in the pack, he couldn't reach, and now look, his feet rest perfectly on it. He's pretty happy.
On the bars?
Yep.
Nice.
It is so much cooler in here than out in the fields where the cows were. These trees are pretty awesome. Love being outside. I have no idea, babe. We can't decide. The path that way?
I say we keep going till we see a sign.
Or the path that way? Or continue on?
I don't think we've gone a mile yet.
Up this road. We don't think we've gone a mile. I agree. There we go. 3/4 of a mile. All those beautiful bleeding hearts in bloom right now. One of my favorite flowers. There it is, you guys. Sindle's first waterfall. She's stirring a little bit. Oh yeah, it's gonna knock your hat off. Lucas's first waterfall was Alice Falls, and Shellburg's is Sindle's first waterfall. Lucas was awake and totally taking in the sound of it. It was a little louder than this one is though. It is very beautiful. Micah's getting a pic, and he should take one too. There's something up that way, I can't quite hear him. Maybe he's just talking about the lava rock. Wow, that is cool.
Whoa, this is pretty cool.
Yeah, let's go under there. Look forward to the weekends when we could get away and do something like this when neither one of us was working before we have kids. It's pretty awesome getting out here and doing this stuff with the babies now. If you guys were ever curious what my favorite thing to do is, it's to be with these three and hanging outside doing something fun like this. You should leave us a comment with your favorite thing to do outdoors. Lukey's gonna get his walking legs going since we just got some road to go down here. Lucas, you're so cute. Yeah, stuff in the dirt.
With the stick. Careful, buddy. Hey, slow down.
He's eager to go. Ooh, what's that way? Be careful, there's a cliff.
Yeah.
Made it back to the car, and little miss has been doing some talking. Are you gonna smile?
More Siegmund.
Yeah, you're talking. You're doing so good. You love your sister, Lukey. Micah's over there singing some Tim McGraw. We were listening to that on the way home, and Lukey's having a snack. He just got back from getting us some chicken and lettuce to get started with our dinner. And Sindle's getting her wiggles out over here. Yeah. Did you have a good adventure, girl? We picked up the stain Micah needed for our fence on the way back, and then when we got home there was a couple packages here for us. One for Micah and one for me from a family member. So I'm gonna open that really quick and see what's in here. I bet it's something for Sindle. So I stepped outside since Lucas is watching TV and it's very hard to record while the TV is going in the background. I wanted to take a moment and read a comment from Katie Hawk. She says, OMG, obsessed with tulips. Katie, thank you so much for leaving us a comment. Definitely love getting the opportunity to connect with you guys and share these memories with you guys. If you want to leave a comment for us too, please do. And if you haven't seen our tulip vlog yet, I'll be sure to link it for you above and below. Go back, watch it, leave us a comment. It is a very special vlog. I love going there. I've grown up going there, and so just getting to see Lucas running around there was pretty awesome, and that's probably one of my favorite vlogs that we've made so far. This little barefoot turkey hauled his quad out here and got it stuck. There you go. Oh. We'll see you in our next video. Bye. Sino says bye, guys. Bye.
Bye.
You want to say bye, Lukey? Bye. Moo, cow, moo. Might be going to get our paint.
Moments go. Dewy seasons breeze they blow. Sometimes in darkness.